Travel, I will teach you how to go to the secret park that I have been just now. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell button below so you can be updated on all my trips here in Singapore. Welcome to J Travel channel.
First thing we alight at Labrador Park MRT station.
To cross over to the overhead bridge and see Pasir Panjang Maple Business City. Follow the direction and you will see a long bridge towards the business center in Maple Business City. Then after this, you'll see this long bridge connected and you will be in the ARC shopping center. Inside the ARC shopping center, follow the link to Maple Business City, turn to your left, and there, Maple Business City, a big signage. Walk up the stairs and cross over for another overhead bridge and follow the signage towards Fitness Park. Then you will see this beautiful pond with fish in it and then trees. This is another small park within it. For the beautiful side it is, and you will see you can sit in this place and relax, enjoy the fresh air. And don't feed the fish because they are being fed by the correct time and people. So just enjoy the koi fish and their colorful colors. And enjoy the relaxing view, the fresh air, and then the boat. After passing this, you will see a small bridge towards the place that you will be going. So there's the small bridge. So cross over this bridge, walk towards this linkway. You will see the kitchen loft. Past this office building, walk along this street, the pedestrian street, and then you see this secret garden, but it is actually called the Maple Business Park, and a fountain in it. Wow, what beautiful it is.
That's how to go to the secret park of Maple Business Street in Maple Business Park. If you want to be updated of all more of my videos of how to go and capture the things or any suggestion you want, please subscribe to my channel and click the ring bell button and leave your comments. All are welcome to my channel to watch all the beautiful places in Singapore. Look at what is so cute. Thank you and bye bye.